Okay, so today we're going to be doing something that's pretty fun. I think you guys will like it. I'm going to start with this little guy. I call it a tracer. It's just an oval, which is sort of like a circle, but a little longer. We're going to place it towards the top of the paper and trace around. You guys will use a pencil first, but I'm using markers so that it shows up on the paper. As you can see, that looks like a head. That's why we put it at the top of the paper, because the head is the top of your body. After that, we're going to draw the letter U for the neck. The neck connects to the shoulders, and from the shoulders, we go down to the wrists. The wrists, if you didn't know, wrists are part of your body where you wear a watch. This is an easy way to draw hands. Here's another U and a tiny U for the thumb. At this point, I want to give him or her some fingers. So we're going to put 3 lines. 1, 2, 3 on both sides. We're going to go up to the armpit from here. I know that's a silly word, but you guys all know we have them. From there, we're going to go down to the waist and decide how long we want to make our legs. Down here, you need the feet. So we're going to go down and stop, and down and stop. At the very bottom, maybe a little longer, I'm going to put on some feet, and those again are ovals. This makes them longer than the first oval you made, or at least skinnier from top to bottom. After that, you are going to add legs. So you go up and stop, and up and stop, and make them connect. Now you have what looks like a person. To add clothes to your people, there's a lot of different ways to do that. You can either put collars on them, as you can see in this picture. I have drawn a picture with a guy who has a collar and a tie. He looks like he's a teacher, huh? Here's another one where he's a lifeguard. You can see he has a whistle. He even has the words lifeguard written on his shirt. Notice the background is colored in neatly with a swimming pool and the clouds. He has a really nice tan. This is a picture of me being a forest ranger. When I was a little kid, I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. Forest ranger sounded like a fun option. So, as you can see, there's lots of ways to draw people, but this way works really well. Start with the head, go to the neck, shoulders, arms, down to the wrist, big U and a little U, 3 lines for the fingers, up to the armpit, down to the waist, down to the foot, put on the little oval on both sides, and then put on the upside down V for the legs. At this point, you can add any details you want. There's a t-shirt. He has on pants. You could color it in. If you wanted to add hair, a hat, a necklace, you choose. I hope you had fun. I know I did.